Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. You can access Messenger in two ways. Open the Messenger app on your phone or tap the Messenger icon at the top right corner of your Facebook app. First thing you do is tap the pen and paper icon on the start of the new chat. Search for a friend or contact, then type your message in the box and hit send. And then you can also send photos and videos, voice messages, and stickers, GIFs, and emojis. Inside any chat, tap the phone icon to make a voice call. It is located at the top right corner. Then you can also tap the video camera icon to start a video call. Both options work over Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you want some privacy, tap the person's name at the top of your chat, then scroll down and choose Go to Secret Conversation for end-to-end encryption. And also, inside the chat, tap the person's name, then scroll down, and you can also choose block, mute, or report if needed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.